Hey, hi guys. Am I audible? Hello. Are you guys able to hear me? Okay, fine. Just give me a minute. Today the stream may actually not be very smooth. I am actually trading from outside. Right. I was thinking of not doing the session, but we got many people right who wanted the session to be done. So that is where I joined. I just come outside. Sun. If you guys are able to hear, then fantastic. I can proceed with the Venkatesh. Good afternoon, Raghavendra sir. So we have 23 people. Let me quickly get into the entire setup thing, right? So what exactly is the setup saying, right? The setup today was very interesting, and I'll tell you why. So if you look at the bank nifty chart, right, in 15 minutes, just give it some time. We will let the bank nifty chart get updated in 15 minutes, right? If you see, bank nifty is actually stuck between this demand zone, right? I am now drawing a single demand zone here. It is stuck between this demand zone, right? This entire demand zone, right? In this demand, how to be eligible for your membership? Raji, just ping the volume is low. Yeah, voice sounds too low. Gita, the voice is not low. I am actually outside today. I was in a quandary whether I should do the session or not. But I have taken the session. Many people were sending a DM saying that they wanted a expiry, and today's expiry is going to be very tricky. Today's expiry is going to be very tricky. We may not get zero hero. Yeah, volume is too low. Okay, let me see. Audible now? Is it better? Okay, is it better now? Yeah. Voice, it will come back. It will come back. Just give it some time. Today the challenge is I am actually speaking from outside. Yeah. Cool. Uh, Voice is audible right now. Voice is audible, right? In case, okay, the CE, right? I think whoever wants to buy can buy the 43,500 CE. Once you get it around 150, right? Buy 43,500 CE. You will get a good entry there. Buy 43,500 CE. The entry will fetch you good returns because this is gonna give a break, right? Buy. Yeah, I am on the buy side now. I am on the buy side. I am on the buy side, guys. I will try to explain the entire setup. I will try to explain the entire setup as to why I am bullish. Right now, if you get around 150, try to buy the CE. 43,500 CE, if you get it, try to buy. So this morning candle, right, should not be swept. 43,650, right, is what I am trying to see if it can hold and trade higher. I am trying to see if this can hold higher and continue going higher. I would like to take a CE trade here. I would like to take a CE trade. 43,500 CE around 150 if I get, I would like to take that trade. Guys, am I audible? Is it not audible? Should I do it over Zoom if it helps? Should we do it over Zoom if it helps? Okay, give me a minute. We will do it. Good afternoon. Your voice is very low. Voice is not low. The challenge is where I am there, right? I am not able to talk. So let me do one thing. Let me do it over Zoom. We will. Okay, you want this one? Okay. Don't buy at current market price. Wait for 150. I think when we started the stream, right? The trade had got triggered at 150. I think some of them who could enter early would have been able to take the trade. It's okay. Just wait now. Wait now. Wait for the order to come. Yeah, volume is good. Okay, perfect, guys, perfect. Then in that case, I will just proceed with whatever I was teaching. I would proceed with on Zoom. There are mixed reviews. On Zoom, the problem is the same. I won't be able to share my screen because I am outside. I can take it over mobile, otherwise it would be very difficult to do. Should I do it over mobile phone, as in if it works, right? I won't be able to share the chat, but at least I can share my view. Okay, just give me a minute, then I will send a Zoom link on the on this thing. Yeah, I will send a Zoom link. Just wait. I will share a Zoom link. Let me share a Zoom link then, guys. Okay. Okay, we will continue on Zoom. Everyone is asking us to continue on the Zoom, right? We will continue on the Zoom. So first thing, right, I will quickly explain what I was seeing in the chat. Yeah, YouTube is working perfectly. So what was I looking in the chat, right? In the morning, when this particular resistance was taken, right, we were expecting this market to actually come down. When it came down, I was expecting the market to take a resistance, and the 43,500 put writers, right, which were the new fellows, right, this 43,500 put writers, which were the new guys, I was expecting them to close their position, right? I was expecting them to close their position, 43,500 put writers, right? Now I will quickly go to 30 minutes chart, right? 30 minutes may, if you see, instead of coming out, so this was the guy in the morning who was confident. He was carrying 56 lakh position. This guy had only carried 10 lakh position, right? But if you see, as the market started moving up, he built the position, right? Now he was the new guest. He was the new guest in the town. Wait, let me just move slightly. So he was the new guest in the town, and this new guest we were expecting will be willing to completely abandon his position, right? We were expecting he will abandon his position. Instead of abandoning his position, he continued to write more. He continued to write more as the support was taken, right? Now where was the support taken? Let me quickly share the screen. The support was taken here. Now why was this level important for me? If you remember, whenever the market actually trades below 43,500, right, whenever it trades below 43,500, I am looking at see, when it is coming from down, right, 43,450 to 43,550 is a natural resistance, right? When it is going up, I am considering this as a natural support in the market, right? So if you see at 43,445, this guy took a support. He took a support, right? The person who took the support, he then